Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day at the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Serve the one you love. Once you decide to be a couple, you are there to serve the one you love, to serve your love to your lover. In every kiss and every touch, you feel you're there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 72, NASDAQ flat, S&P's up 350, gold contract up $9.30, trading at $1,662 an ounce. Silver up 61 cents at $31.39 an ounce. Platinum up $14 at $1,678 an ounce. Copper up 3 pennies at $3.68 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1, trading out at $97.46 a barrel. Bonds down 11 ticks at 143.10. King dollar down 26 ticks, trading out at 79.60. The euro is up 38 at 134.93, and the yen down 12 at 90.73. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You continue higher. Bottom line, still have no juice behind the move. $700 million you should be banging out, whether it's 1.2, 1.3. But bottom line, what this has done, no doubt, when we talk about straight line move, folks, you're talking about a straight line move right now of 59 points in the S&P. And I'm just taking that from the January 5th level. Each and every day, it just crawls up there. Dow Industrials. We go to the Dow Industrials. You take a look at the Dow Industrials. Same setup in the Dow. Dow is up 72 bucks today. Inside the Dow, movers were pushing it higher was Pfizer, Verizon, Merck, and Procter & Gamble. NASDAQ Composite. Different animal with the Composite. The Composite just can't move. But bottom line, sideways move. You're at 31.53, did 1.9 billion versus 1.9 billion. Now, after the close, if you want to see a wild close, it looks like someone had the numbers on Amazon just slightly before they come out. Because what you have with Amazon is this, folks. At, let's see, it was, it's literally about 5 minutes before basically the numbers came out. Amazon went from a price point of she went from a price point of $268 down to $258. She's trading right now. She closed at $260, and she's trading. Oh, you're gonna love this. Oh, this is gonna be a mind blower. It's hard to tell what she's trading at right now. That's what really. She's trading at $268 right now. $268.15. So the numbers on Amazon go like this. The bottom line estimate was 27 cents. That's what they were expecting to make. They made 21 cents. Top line estimate, 16 point, this is for the first quarter now, 16.85 billion. They're going to come in at between 15 billion and 16.6 billion. So what you have here, there's definitely pressure after hours on Amazon. What you did have with Amazon, too, by the way, folks, is this, is that you had Amazon break to a high on Friday. We went up 10 points on Friday. Monday, it gave it all back. So Friday, Amazon had got from 274 to 284. Friday, gave it all back. Today, came down with vicious volume on the way down. And this is pretty cool. So check this out, because one of our targets is saying in the den, doesn't Amazon have a habit of recovering the day after earnings? And it absolutely does. Amazon, folks, is no doubt an equity that has a personality, and it has recovered dramatically many times after it's come out with numbers. We'll see where this one shakes out. What you do have right now is this. Any price point inside the 264 puts Amazon in the lower trading range, which means you can get down to 222. So where this trades, either the next couple hours, tomorrow morning, is going to be crucial. Right now, we're trading at 268. So what you had is this. They come out with the numbers prior. Market slammed them down. I'm not sure whether they come out with the numbers or someone knew prior, but bottom line, it slammed it down pretty good. Gold contract. Let's go take a look at the gold contract. Okay, so what we had with gold out here today is this. She is up 970. We did 138,000 contracts. Still not enough, folks. What you have in the gold market is this, and you know there's a disconnect, and it's a big disconnect, and this is what it is. Well, first off, gold wants to get to 1588. The disconnect that you have inside the gold and silver market versus the broad market, the S&P, is that since last November, what you'll see is that the gold market and the equities were always moving with the S&P. Since last November, total disconnect. The S&P, after the downdraft in November, went higher. Gold, silver, the gold equities continued lower. That disconnect is pretty intense. That disconnect is saying that the gold and silver equities want to go test last May and last August lows. That's how that's setting up right now. Bond market. Let's go over and take a look at the bond market. What you have with the bond market is this. Yesterday, what we had done, we had come down, and we had come down with 475,000 contracts. Yeah, it was 438,000, no, let's see. 461,000 contracts yesterday was testing the swing low out there of 143.12. That 143.12 had 512, but that was still too close. What we did out here today, we closed at 143.10. It has lighter volume, but now it can't handle that price. So the benchmark on this baby is 143.17, and right now we're at 143.09. Below that benchmark, yes, you'll get down to this 143.08 level from all the way back in September. We go take a look at the King Dollar. Okay, so what King Dollar did out here today is this. She pulled back. Has lighter volume in the pullback. Got the price going pretty good, though. 268 ticks. Volume-wise, what we did is we did 20,000 contracts. The 20,000 is coming into 21,000. It's coming into 38,000. So it's going to need a lot more contracts in order to break down on lower price. But right now, it basically looks like it's going to trade slightly lower. The euro, all's great at the euro land, I guess. Euro is up for about 7 days in a row. Now, the correlation, no doubt, euro up with the dollar down, what does it do? It basically gives the market breathing room in a big way. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Let's take a look at some of the high-volume stocks in a low-volume market still. EMC was down $1.02, and what that had to do with, folks, was all about VMware. VMware today was down $21. That had come out with their numbers last night. Bottom line is that this equity absolutely got taken apart. If we take a look at this and we put this on a yearly basis, what you're going to see is that it is a monster ABC down. The A point on this is $1.15. Your B is 80, so we're talking about 35 points. Your C is 100. So, oh my God, yeah, it did it one day. So this is going to go a lot lower than what A to B equals C to D, folks. Okay, you can do the 1 to 1, 1 to 382, 1 to 50, and the way it would work is that a 1 to a 1.382. If you go down 10 points, next leg you get down 13.18. 1 to 150, 10 points, go down 15. This is going to be a very large one because it blew everything out of the water. I mean, big time. You know, and this is a classic that how long this equity has been actually in distribution. It's been in distribution going all the way back from September of 2010. Just went sideways. That's what it did. And today what it did, it broke out all those lows. Well, the actual lower price that it has to get under right now is 3 points away. It's $74.04. Today we hit 76.33. You closed out at 77.14. But that's saying that lower prices are coming at us, and they're coming at us big time. We'll go back to Amazon for a second. Amazon still is trading at that 268. It was quite a get-go. Closed at 260. And this was a straight line move, folks. It looks to me like, I guess it looks like I was pulling up the numbers to see if the numbers had come out early, or in fact, what just happened is that simultaneously someone knew what was going on. It looks like all these numbers came out at 1,600 hours, but we'll see. It's Tom O'Brien. It's the TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 72. NASDAQ was flat. S&Ps were up $7. We're going to be right back.